the tent set up. This gorgeousness. Found a really nice spot. Okay, so we gotta be relaxed into our intentions for them not to sound like we're penetrating there very harshly. So I see inside myself the need for something more gentle, like almost like a forgetting completely what I'm doing and let it rise spontaneously. And the keyword that's ringing right now for making this video is immediacy. And the need for immediacy, what is that immediacy represent inside of us, is connected with spontaneity. Immediacy, spontaneity. See out here, we don't leave things for after. We're in the present moment doing what we're doing. And there is nothing for after. Everything is doing right now. I lost one of my hairpins that was in my head, and it fell on the ground and I heard it falling. But I was recording a video and I said I'll pick it up later. And I finished doing all of this. I get up, I start doing other things, and I forgot that it's there. The second time that I saw it, I remember it's like it fell. Let's pick it up before we forget. Pick it up. Now it's not a thought for the future. It's taken care of. It's immediate. I'm not saying I'll pick it up later when I remember again. I don't know if that will ever happen, if I'll remember again. And in that moment, it might seem like, oh yeah, there is no way I will forget about it. There is no way. It's so important for me, that hairpin that I carved. There is no way I won't think about it again. And yeah, it's possible that that is true, but there is also a possibility that I forget completely about it, which is fine. It will become an offering for this place. It will become a lesson for me to either come back here to look for it or to let go of it. And there is something I've been wanting to share for a long time. We hope I have the space for that.